She is a well-known education expert and a multi-faceted personality with an illustrious list of accolades to her name. The Great Mentors warmly invites Dr. NEHA Sharma, Principal of GD Goenka Public School, Raj Nagar Extension, Ghaziabad. Her expertise spans from leading happy schools for young minds, promoting and supporting Indian heritage, arts and culture, authoring various books and journals, developing educational processes, initiating best practices, for both at school and policy level. As visionary for educational process that is meaningful and relevant, she has influenced teaching practices, modes, curriculum in alignment with present-day standards and in preparation to guide the citizens of the future world who have global vision and are deep-rooted in their culture. Dr. NEHA has co-authored CBSE's Digital Citizenship Handbooks, AR/VR Handbooks, Gender Sensitivity Manual, Life Skills Education Manual and many other important handbooks. Dr. Sharma has been a resource person for workshops, webinars and training programs conducted by CBSE and other organizations for national education policy, NEP 2020, assessment, life skills etc. Dr. NEHA has been felicitated and recognized as, with member of External Resource Group for Global Policy for Health Promoting Schools, Standards and Implementation Guidance Documents, by WHO and UNESCO, 2021, Speaker at 14th UN Congress on Crime Prevention and Criminal Justice, Kyoto, Japan hosted by UNODC and UNESCO, 2021, Speaker at UNESCO and UNODC Regional Dialogue on Engaging Youth for Education and Justice in South Asia, 2020, and many other valuable recognition.